Speaking of that, Mick, as you can see the aircraft taxiing to the south at the moment, you'll see the nose art on the aircraft whilst it's facing that way, the Tojo busters, and I guess by those 1.5 Japanese flags, Mick, I think the Tojo busters must have had some success against the enemy. Now, our own Peter Anderson was heavily involved in researching and selecting the scheme that went on the Hudson during last year. So
May 16211, which is the Tojo busters. We'll just let you listen to this beautiful aircraft on its takeoff run. We looked at this paint scheme, and because it had a connection with 6th Squadron, it was a famous incident, we decided to paint
seeding clouds and so on. Here comes the aircraft again from your front right.
Very smooth pilots up there. It's under difficult conditions.
Action and did their thing.
And the first British and Australian squadrons had Brewster Buffaloes there. There were Blenheim bombers and night fighters there in the Malay Peninsula.
So we'll see those 3 aircraft. The Hudson's just positioning now, and he'll stay airborne for a while.
Working on those Hudsons at Milne Bay during the battle down here, a guy called Bill Harris, and he hadn't seen a Hudson in all of those years. If you see this now, ladies and gentlemen, this is what Temora is all about. Flying Spitfire. Engineering, and we'll talk to him about that later on.
He always wanted the V put on the Spitfire, so the RG stands for the Robert Gibbs, but the V is after his Kitty Hawk in the desert.
I've spoken to
a semi-airworthy Messerschmitt 109. When they captured it, they scrounged some parts that was left on a forward airfield in the desert, and they actually got the aircraft boomerang from the right, Spitfire landing from the left.
You saw the Spitfire touching down there in the capable hands of Steve D.
Hesitation roll by Matt. He's got some 135 hours, I think.
Certainly, as he's gained a bit more experience with the aircraft, he's getting a few more sophisticated maneuvers.
It would have been a whole lot different, flying it in action.